You know I'm sick when. Look at this hair. I look a mess. You can hear it. And I'm super freaking nauseous. I'm eating my crackers. I'm drinking my Sprite. We do have Canada Dry, but it wasn't in the fridge. There was no cold ones. So I just went with Sprite. I wasn't gonna wait for the Canada Dry to get cold. It'd take forever. But the Sprite works fine. I just need every time I'm nauseous, I need a soda, a ginger ale Sprite, because that's the only thing that stops it. Give me some crackers and in one of those sodas, and I'm good. But yeah, look at my hair. I washed it and just let it air dry. I didn't do nothing to it. I didn't put any product in it. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. I usually put some leave-in conditioner or my truffle serum or oil, something. And nope, not into it at all. Wish me luck. And TMI, I always have to close my legs dumb tight when I cough like that, because if not, I'd pee myself. Thank you, Jalen. Having a vaginal birth, that happens. TMI. But you girlies know. All the mamas know. Coughing, sneezing, it affects you. But this is my update. I'll probably post later something, because I think my husband's gonna make me a nice lunch. I'll post about that. But right now I'm just sick, and I hate being sick because I'm already sick. I live my life sick with my chronic illness and stuff. So when shit gets piled on, it debilitates me. I'm not gonna cry. Alright, I'm gonna let you go before I start crying. Bye.